Owing to the new nature of artificial intelligence technology and the way it's different from another technologies, there is no universally exact definition of the AI. The ultimate development goals of the AI is to make machines think like human and liberate human labor. Although it seems to be a good thing, every coin has two sides, so people should also face up to its possible trends. This video will discuss the society, legal, and sustainability dilemma related to the field of AI from a social-legal interdisciplinary perspective, from the single use of sociological theory or legal theory to analyze. Social-legal takes into account the characteristics of the two disciplines and analyze the extinct problems more directly. The first part is commercial. First, in terms of the rapid growth labor, AI has a broad market perspective it into a market to bring more automatic production. At the same time, AI also impact on the workforce for large technical giant or government departments to improve their efficiency and save cost. But for ordinary workers, AI put forward a higher capacity requirement and also increase the competition from resources in the labor market from a legal perspective. As a legal law relationship main body, law is carrying the labor right and obligations. However, AI does not need a guarantee of the rights and obligations, then will further increase the impact of AI on the labor market. In terms of the risk, operations such as auto driving and auto surgery increase the risk of the lawsuit for related technical companies. Therefore, market operation require manufacturers and operators of AI systems to purge increase for their system so as to more directly judge the risk of harm that AI may produce. The next part is a legislation. First, about the legal system. Due to the combination of the unpredictable of the AI, sometimes it's difficult to have a common legal system and know of the justice of the cases. Therefore, it's necessary to establish a relevant legal system specifically for the field of AI in order to better manage AI and ensure its safe and sustainability development. At present, although the autism accountability system is proposed to govern machine learning and provide reason for decision making, the algorithm accountability systems still have problems such as cognitive norms and values. Second, about in terms of the legal supervision should cover the whole process of the AI, which follow prevention, in process control, and post supervision. Only by such reasonable supervision of the whole process which can we ensure a certain limit of the right to science and avoid the abuse of the AI at the same time. So let's move on to the next part, society. In this part, there are three main topics. First is global, second is countries, third one is personal. And for the global, since the open source data is not affected by time and place, so management of AI requires a clear responsibility for global and transnational cooperation. In February 2020, the European Parliament comment on the legal affair published a white paper on AI, which set out a future legal framework for next generation technology and encourage the soft law solutions to respond to the rapid development of technology. Next part is the countries. With the today multipolar world, many countries are hoping to gain a head start in the global AI race. Take China as an example. The Chinese AI Security White Paper, which highlights 3 areas where AI can bring significant change with China: international competitions, economic development, and society governments. The strategy promotes the perspective for the development of AI in China and its application in health, institution building, and scientific development. The third one is the personal. In the real life, AI interference are hard to even detect on account of the AI is somewhere unpredictable. Developer and designers have the right to say that they didn't mean to do it. From the user's perspective, for example, the users of several systems, software, and the collection of users' information by some apps have even become some daily things that many people take for granted. In June 2020, China published a white paper on sustainable development of AI, which defines the value, principles, and specific measures based on pyramid of the AI. In addition, some technology companies closely related to development of AI also put forward some strategies. Large high-tech companies such as Google, Tencent, and Alibaba have participated in the AI ethics and government programs. However, AI is mainly concentrated to areas with observed commercial benefits, including science, technology, education, industrial innovation at present. Less attention is paid to conservation of resources, biodiversity, and pollution reduction. Under the background of SDG 16 peace, justice, and strong institutions, and SDG 17 partnership for the global, hope AI can be used in the sustainable development area in the future.